Good day guys, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we'll learn how to solve the issue of private number on your calling number. So sometimes you call somebody and what they can actually see there is private number. So that is when they have your caller ID hidden. So let's go ahead to start the problem solving. So first of all, you click on your call log on your device. So the next thing to do is to please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So the next thing to do is to actually click on these three dots here, then click on your settings. So after my settings, I scroll down and I locate my calling account. So you can actually see your calling account here. So I click on calling account. Then the next thing to do is to look for your advanced settings. So after I'm done clicking on calling account, I click on my advanced settings. And the next thing to do here is to look for your caller ID. So don't forget the steps. Let me replay this. Then first off, I go to my calling account. Then from my calling account, I go to my advanced settings. Then from my advanced settings, I click on caller ID. So I'm going to click on my caller ID. Then after this, you are going to pick the SIM that is actually showing that stuff. So for me, it's my SIM one showing the private number whenever I call someone. So I'm going to click on this, then it's going to read my settings. Then again, you're going to tap on caller ID. So I'm going to click on my caller ID. So as you can see here, it is written as hidden or hide number. So my number is not going to show whenever I'm calling somebody. It's going to say private number. So what should I do here? Is it I click on your network default? So network default is that it should show number, or you click on show number. So you have actually solved this problem by actually just clicking on network default. So after clicking on network default, it's actually going to see and show my number to everyone. So when I call someone, they can see my number show. And either way you want to change back to the private number, you like using private number, you can always change it. And I hope I've helped you with something today to solve your issue. If I did not do that, please drop your comments in the comment section so I can help you get this done. Like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye.